So next topic in the digital image processing is the fidelity criteria. So in case of the removal of psychovisual redundant data, or we can say that when we are reducing some redundant data by applying the compression, so in any image, when we apply the compression and some of the data is to be removed, which is less important, we can say that. So in that case, if you want to recover that image, that lost data may be recovered, so it can be recovered. So some criteria is to be followed to recover that information. So we can say that the removal of psychovisually redundant data that may result in a loss of real or quantitative visual information, because such information may be important or may be not important for someone. So some criteria is to be followed to recover that information. So there are the two main classes or the criteria which are to be used to recover that information. First one is the objective fidelity and the second one is the subjective fidelity. So if we are talking about the very first, that is the objective fidelity criteria, which involve the three measurements techniques or the three measurement modules or the methods. First one is the root mean square error, and second one is the mean square signal to noise ratio, and third one is the peak signal to noise ratio. So what it means that the objective fidelity can be used to measure the amount of information that is lost. So any error may be occur because of that loss of information. So in case if any sender sent the imaged information that is to be compressed to the receiver side, and receiver wants that information that is to be compressed or lost in during the compression, so that may be reconstructed or decompressed by the image. So the objective fidelity criteria which are to be used, the very first is the root mean square error. सो रूट मीन स्क्वायर एरर को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ERMS सिंबल से. सो बिटवीन एन इनपुट इमेज fxy एंड द आउटपुट इमेज f(x, y), तो उसके बीच हम ये अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो दिस can be done or calculated by using the formula that is 1 divided by m into n, number of rows and the number of columns, summation x equals to 0 to m minus 1 and y equals to 0 to n minus 1 on the x and y coordinate plane. नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज जो x 0 से लेके m minus 1 तक होगी और 0 से लेके n minus 1 तक y की वैल्यू होगी. सो f का x, y minus f x, y कंप्रेस्ड इमेज जो ओरिजिनल इमेज है, जो फाइनल हमें रिजल्ट मिला है आफ्टर डिकम्प्रेशन माइनस द ओरिजिनल इमेज to whole square and whole under root. So image are of size m into n. Smaller the value of ERMS, the better the compressed image results the original image. जितनी ERMS की वैल्यू कम होती जाएगी उतनी हमें ओरिजिनल इमेज मिलेगी. So this is the root mean square error in case of the objective fidelity. And the next one is the mean square signal to noise ratio. This is represented by SNRMS, and it can be evaluated by f cap x, y whole square, this value is to here, and summation of x to 0 m minus 1 and y equals to 0 to n minus 1 divided by f cap x minus 1 minus f x, y square, value summation is 0 to m minus 1 and 0 to n minus 1. तो यहाँ पर अंडर रूट नहीं आना, सिंपली क्या है कि जो डिकम्प्रेस्ड इमेज हुई है उसका जो रिजल्ट है उसका स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय डिकम्प्रेस्ड इमेज माइनस द ओरिजिनल इमेज उसका स्क्वायर. उसको सॉल्व करके हमारे पास मीन स्क्वायर सिग्नल टू नॉइज रेशियो आएगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द पीक सिग्नल टू नॉइज रेशियो विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द सिंबल SNRP equal to 10 log 10 L minus 1 square. L is the number of gray levels divided by m 1 divided by mn f cap x, y minus f x, y square. So if we have a large number of SNS slides which may result in a better image. So these are the the measurements which are to be used for resulting or for reconstructing any image whose information may be learned. So this is the objective fidelity, and next one is the subjective fidelity. So this criteria measure the image quality by the subjective evaluations of a human observer. So this can be done by showing a decompressed image to a group of viewers and averaging their evaluation. So इनमें हम कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल फार्मूला अप्लाई नहीं करते. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, सब्जेक्टिव है, तो यहाँ पर evaluations may be made using an absolute rating scale. For example, excellent, fine, passable, marginal, inferior, unsuitable. So these are to be applied. So these two subjective and objective fidelity criteria are to be used to reconstruct any image. So go through this topic and understand